Hey everybody, it's Audra live on the Odd Pod, and guess what? It's Headshot Day, and I'm here to give you a few simple tips on how to streamline your wardrobe so your headshot session is simpler and a lot more fun and easier for your photographer. Why am I doing this today? Is because right now I'm getting ready to shoot a major headshot session. So this is actually what I'm wearing. My headshot photographer Lindsay's in the other room, and we're going to give you some behind the scenes look at the actual headshot session today as well. So, ladies, this is for you. Here's a few wardrobe hints for your headshot session. Number one, round neck tees, round neck blouses, round neck tank tops. This is a round neck tank top. Okay? I'm layering it with this taupe hoodie. Now, you can put any color on here. You can put black, you can put purple, you can put wine. In terms of my layering choices, I have another purple hoodie, which is a brand color from my studio brand, and I have a charcoal black. Any of these layering choices will work with any of the round neck blouses and t-shirts that I'm going to show you next. All right, this is a Calvin Klein round neck business blouse. It's plain black. It will go with any hoodie or sweater. This is a blue Calvin Klein round neck blouse. Same thing, it'll go with anything. And here's a couple of Calvin Klein prints. Normally we want to avoid prints. But if you're an actor or a performer like me and you need to do a comedy shot or something with a little more pop, then you may want to have a print like this with jewel tones, Calvin Klein, and another Calvin, my favorite, with some blue, brown, and black jewel tones. We want to make sure that we always layer something over a print shirt, ladies. You know, put a sweater over it, put a hoodie, maybe just a wraparound. Otherwise, that print is going to take over the shot and steal focus from your face. All right? So, here's the choices. And I'm going to show you what this looks like when I take this off. You can see I have a black bra on under here. But you can see why we wear hoodies and cover-ups, right? It just doesn't look as flattering. So, let's sum it up, ladies. Here's what you need. Plenty of choices for your photographer and your wardrobe assistant. Show up with plenty of choices. Use round necks. Avoid the V-necks. And 3, layers, layers, layers. And you can do that with wraparounds, sarongs, hoodies, or sweaters. This is Audra on the Odd Pod, hoping to make your headshot day easy and fun.